So guys, whenever you forget the password of your laptop, don't cry. There's always to go about it. I know some of you, sometimes you can forget. Probably you have used the laptop for a very long time and you forgot the password. And when you boot it, it will require you to put the password. And remember, without the password, you cannot access your file. Some you may even end up formatting the system so that they can be able to, formatting the OS of the system and restoring it with new ones. So, and that is very, sometimes is very, very tasking. So, but right now there's a way to go about it. So I'm going to take you through the process. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share, so that this is the only way that you can actually support us. And if there's any question that you need to ask, pin it on the comment section. All right, let's go. We are working Windows 11, so hold down Shift and click Restart your PC. Then while holding the Shift, go to Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, then Man Prompt, then type C colon, enter, then type CD Windows, then type CD System 32, then type ren utman.exe, then type ren space utman.exe, hit enter. Now close command prompt, click continue. So you are back in Windows now. What we have done is change of accessibility to command prompt. So you click that and it will open up a command prompt. Type control space user password 2, then hit enter. Then now you will have your user account. Click reset password, type your new password, close command prompt, type your new password here. To test if this works, now sign out, click sign out, hold down left shift key, then restart. Go to troubleshoot, advanced options, command prompt, type C colon, hit enter, CD Windows, hit enter, type CD System 32, hit enter, type ren space utman.exe space cmd.exe, hit enter, type ren space utman1.exe, hit space utman.exe, hit enter. And now your files will be back to normal. Now go back to Windows and log in, and now you can log into your Windows without problem.